Hello everyone, I wanted to show you the next shipment of the Craft with Heart subscription. This is going to be for May, June, July, August. And so as you see, it comes in this cute little box, and there are a couple of things extra that come. So you get this little coupon that gives you the code for 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. And then every shipment also comes with this cute little 5x7 like decorative thing, and I frame these. They've all been so cute. So it's just kind of an extra little bonus for subscribing to the Craft with Heart subscription. Now, I've mentioned before, if you've seen any of these videos, I subscribe annually, so I get I pay all at once. I get the best pricing and free shipping and the 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. The 30 prints only come when you sign up annually. And then I get a shipment of 4 months at a time, 3 times a year. So I just got this. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside so that you can just focus on this beautiful kit. So this is the kit that goes with the Sweet Girl paper packet. So when you flip it over, you see the 2 layouts that are included in this Craft with Heart kit. So our subscription is called Craft with Heart, and each month, so this would be the May monthly kit, comes with 2 layouts. Everything is pre-printed, pre-cut, all done for you, plus you get the memory protectors. So you get Close to My Heart's high quality memory protectors, which these, in my opinion, are the best memory protectors on the market. They are such high quality, so that's a huge bonus right there. All right, and then you've got the stickers, the die cuts, everything you need to put it together. So this is the base pages. It comes printed in everything like this for your base pages. So those are the base pages for this right here. And then the instructions guide you through putting it together, but it's super simple. And then the die cut sheets. Well, first let me show you the base pages for the other layout. So pre-printed makes it easy. If you want to switch it up and totally change the layout, you can. I've done that before in some process videos. It's easy to do. You've got the die cuts clearly labeled. So this is layout 1 die cuts, layout 2 die cuts. You just pop those out and they're ready to go. And then same thing with the stickers. They are all labeled. So you've got the layout 1 stickers and the layout 2 stickers. These are cardstock stickers, so they're nice quality stickers. And then all of the pieces that you're going to need pre-cut. So these are mostly photo mats and then some other pieces that you would use as cardstock. And then you also get the photo placeholders. So if you wanted to put the layouts together and then just put the photo placeholder on there until you get your photos on, you can do that. I like to get my photos on as I'm doing it because I know if I don't, I just don't go back and do it. So I prefer just getting my photos on and getting the layouts done. So that was the one that goes along with Sweet Girl. This is the one that goes along with True Love. So all of these kits go along with the new paper suites that Close to My Heart has. So you could bring in some of the paper and embellishments and other items that are available through our catalog that go with this True Love collection to add to this as well. I like to add some little bits and pieces from my stash and from the main collections as well, and that works great. But you can also do this totally standalone. So these are the beautiful layouts. Shows how customizable this paper kit is. So you've got totally different colors going on in each layout. And so same goes for this. You've got the, here's the stickers. Here are the die cuts. Beautiful flowers. Really pretty. And we've got the cardstock pieces. And then I kept trying to grab this, but that's on the base page. So here are the base page. It actually goes like this. So pre-printed, and then here are the pre-printed pages for the other layout. It even has the journal lines for you. So that is for True Love. And then we've got Into the Wild. So this is going to coordinate with the Into the Wild collection, which is sort of like a more baby boy theme, but totally versatile. You'll see that all of our paper packs can be very versatile. So this is more of a baby boy focused layout, but again, can totally change. And then this is sort of an outdoorsy sort of layout. But again, everything is customizable. You can change the titles to suit your needs, and that's very easy to do. So I'll show you the goodies that come with this kit. Here are the cut pieces that come with it. Here's the photo holders, all the cut pieces, the stickers. So the title, Love You to the Moon, that's stickers. So if you decide you want to use a different title, just go ahead and replace it with something else. But this just gives you such an easy starting off point for your layouts. It makes them come together so quick and easy. I like to call this program my bonus scrapbooking because it's scrapbooking that I wouldn't normally have done. I love doing my layouts from scratch and on my own, but these are so well done, well thought out, and beautiful that it really gives me bonus scrapbooking that I wouldn't have done without this kit. So that is Into the Wild. And then this is my personal favorite, and so far is proving to be a very popular collection, Craft On. So this is, at first glance, if you look at this collection in the catalog, it looks like it's going to be a crafty collection, and it kind of is, but as you see in these layouts, they're absolutely not craft related at all. They're just gorgeous, vibrant colors, and that black just really makes everything pop. So I just love these layouts. So this is going to be for the, let's see, May, June, July, August. These are the August kits. So if you do the monthly subscription, you'll just get one of these 2-page kits per month. And so this is the one that will come in August. And I have all of this information on my website. If you go to jmamalmy.com and click on Scrapbook at the top, you can see the Scrapbook subscription information. And I have lots of pictures and information there. So here are the die cuts. So some of the photo mats are actually die cuts instead of the cut pieces. Here are the stickers. These colors just make me so happy. And then, oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. And look at this little detail. There's like little dots and hearts, kind of scribbles. It looks like it's chalk doodles or white gel pen doodles, kind of. So cute. And here is the other one. Let's see, how does this go? No, like this. There we go. So bright, happy colors. And that is the collection that this little 5x7 printable or printed piece matches as well. So yeah, that's it. That's the current Craft with Heart subscription. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Visit my website, jmamalmy.com. I will leave the link below to the page on my site that has more information. And you'll see lots of pictures, all these pictures, and I will start posting some process videos soon. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day.